Sige. Swim mo. Oh, very good. Oh, your finger. You swim your finger, your hands. Tap, tap, tap. Ano yung nakuha niya? Okay. Nakasubo niya yan. Okay, tap. Ay! Tap. Yeah, like that, Seb. Oh, tap, tap, tap. Tap. Tap and tap. You gonna tap and tap. Tap the water. Gonna tap and tap. Tap, 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 and stop. Up. Oh, tap, tap, tap the water. Up. Wala na. Ay! Again, again. Ay! Again, again. Again, again. Tap the water. Oh! Oh, enough na? Up! Wala na. Again, again. Tap the water. Up! Again. Tap the water again. Up. Up. Okay, up. Oh, tap the water. Up. Up. Tap the water. Enjoy siya, oh. Wala sa inyong ganyan. Dito lang. That's why you spend your weekend here, Seb. Ah. There is Ray. Okay, finish na, ha? Seb? Okay na? Pakuha ko na lang towel. Na-check. Hindi pa sawa. Oh, tama. Kanina ko pa gustong paalis. Tap water. Oop. Konti ba niyan? Ma-remember niya yung lesson niya. Yung swimming lesson. Oh, swim. Ay, huwag mong biglayin niya. Baka mamaya matakot siya. Oh my gosh, he's jumping. Sa susunod ya, mag-swimming ka. Suit at saka si Seb, ha? Meron ka? Oo, bili kita. Hanap tayo sa Robinson. Merong yung parang damit. Parang skirt na, hindi naman yung coverall. Hanap tayo.